Music video premiere, new talent, celebrity interviews, and of course the Flow Super Cup Grand Finals. All these stories and more coming up in this week's episode of Pree Dis. Stay tuned as we bring you through the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Pree Dis starts right now. Popular Florida promoter Aundre Chin recently celebrated his birthday in Hollywood, Florida, courtesy of the party called Ravin. We were there to check out the highlights.
We just want to tell everybody, say, yo, we appreciate all the support from day one. We have some serious and loyal followers, and we just want to big up to Pree Dis once again. Right? So, yo, just big up Pree Dis and big up all the Ravin fans. Let me not say fans, loyal followers, all right? Big up, respect.
If you don't know Iron Sound, think called Ravin, Chin, Stamina, Linky. The party I did, man. You don't know, say Iron Show just do around. Don't know, say we love the vibes. Look out for the new CD, Iron Sound, Noise Violation coming your way. You don't know how that goes. See?
Each and every first Saturday of each month, turn up. You tell the dog, you have to come here. You have to come here for that month. Each and every first Saturday of each month, you have to come here. You know, DJ Fox in the building, Sinister, Chin Aundre, who come in here. Big up Ravin, Hollywood Live. Sinister, Iron Heart. Sinister, big up the whole squad.
Make my world a brighter place.
German reggae artist Gentleman recently released an MTV Unplugged set. We caught up with him to hear about the project as well as his career. Listen up.
Love is what you're giving me throughout the years. Every time you need me,
I will be there right there, I swear.
there is no faking, no heartbreaking. Like a volcano, this a true love is shaking, yeah. It's tender caring, we are partaking.
Woman, it feels like big things are not in making.
Growing up in Europe, how did you become familiar with Jamaican music for you to pursue reggae music?
Actually, it was like through the records of my brother. I think I was 11 when I had Wolves and Leopards in my hands, you know, Dennis Brown. And then, of course, Bob Marley and Peter Tosh. Later on was Jacob Miller. And I went to Jamaica the first time when I was 18, 92. Garnet Silk was my inspiration then, and then Sizzla and Capleton and Buju Banton. And when I went to Jamaica, I realized that music is more than just entertainment. It's a spiritual movement. It's very radical but very sweet. It's very traditional but very up to the time. And I couldn't find that in no other music genre, you know. I mean, I love music in general, music where comes from the heart, music without, you know, music with edges. But reggae music to me is just beyond explanation, man. Yeah. It's called MTV Unplugged. Unplugged means like organic sounds, you know. So we had like 8 strings. Dean Fraser was the musical director. Unplugged also means there's no effect boards between the guitars, for example, and the amplifiers. Shaggy was there, Kimani Mali was there, Christopher Martin was there, Tanya Stevens, Milky Chance, and we kind of lock up in the rehearsal room for 2 weeks, 19 musicians, in a time where everything is so digitally and files sending back and forward. It was a very, very almost spiritual experience.
From the center, and every day you gotta pray, you gotta pray, you gotta pray. No for them we see say them not practice for them a pitch them a figure back at school, so I know we them can't teach. Feed them dirty talk, them call them freedom of speech. Me wonder who them try reach. Well then, righteousness, who no figure check it.
Now it's time for our first commercial break. There's a lot more coming up, so stay tuned.